and we're still developing what the app might mean, if I'm honest with you, because it's quite an unusual idea that we've had about working with the app with the CCTV department. And because of that, because it was a bit groundbreaking, it's not straightforward, and we're still developing along with the app providers what exactly the app might mean. And at this moment in time, all I can say is that we do intend to launch an app at some point in the spring, and that it will hopefully help people to plan their safe route home, but also for us to gather data about where people are walking, and that in turn police might use that data. But we don't have any more details on that at the moment.